हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कारैक्स भक्ति कार्स पुणे। तो आज हमारे साथ बेसिकली सुहास सर है। सुहास सर का ये गाड़ी है हुंडई क्रेटा। तो उनका लड़का है बेसिकली आदित्य सर। तो ही इज गोइंग टू गिव अ फीडबैक फॉर द प्रोडक्ट दैट वी हैव डन फॉर हिज कार।
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Kulkarni and today we are here for a few things to get done. We have done two things basically, floor lamination and a dash cam. So dash cam is an essential product for today's life. There are many rash drivers, there are also many bad drivers. So we have purchased this product right here. This is the Quobo 3K dash cam, which is a very good dash cam and a very good product I think, because it has many features which are everyday in our day-to-day life, like parking assist, geofencing, jolt assist, etc, etc. So there are few people who want to tamper with our cars, so we did not want it. So basically what we did is we got this product, and this product has a very good feature that if anybody tampers cars or causes any harm to it, it detects the movement and we can find out who did it. It is an excellent product. It has a screen on it, and it also has a rear camera, and the quality is also very good. 3K quality is there. So as you can see, I can see all the live feed on my phone. I can control the recording, I can adjust the display, I can change the quality, etc. So this is a very good product and the worth for the price. Secondly, I would like to mention Carax for doing an excellent work with our car. So we came here today and the work was done very nicely. We have association of them for almost 10 years now. They have done very good work. The floor lamination was also very good. The dashcam fitting was also done very quickly, and I would also like to mention that their quality of service is also very good. They provide really good service and also some refreshments during the time. Their time to install is also very less. So we are very happy with Carax and also with the product. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
TikTok.com